That door sound, the factory tested it before you ever heard it. Thousands of parts, hundreds of processes, one sequence fluid, and nothing is out of order. Behind every finished car is a floor where steel, glass, rubber, and wire become a vehicle in hours. The car's body starts as flat steel, taut, cold, and shapeless.
One press stroke, thousands of tons, and flat steel becomes a door panel. Roof, fender, floor, each panel formed in one hit.
Every panel exits with the curve, the edge, and the mounting points already built in. Before welding, every panel is checked by hand, because paint hides nothing.
The floor goes down first, the foundation, and everything else is welded to.
Spot welding fuses the steel layers together, one spark at a time. The side panels are clamped and welded to the floor in one station.
When the roof drops on, the shell becomes a car for the first time.
Reinforcements go in where crash energy will travel, inside the pillars and under the floor. Hundreds of robots, thousands of welds per body, every one placed in the same spot every time. The bare shell, called body in white, moves to the one room where dust is the enemy. The shell is submerged in an electrocoat bath, corrosion protection that reaches every hidden surface. Baked hard known, this layer is what keeps the car from rusting for decades. Seam sealer is applied along every joint where water could find a way inside. Primer goes on next, the base that makes the final color look deep and even.
The color coat, sprayed in a room cleaner than most hospitals.
Clear coat adds the gloss and protects the color underneath from UV and scratches. Everything is baked together. Primer, color, and clear and Klimus, fused into one protective shell. After baking, every painted surface is inspected under strong light, because the customer will see this finish for years.
First, the doors come off, they are built separately and come back later.
The wiring harness goes in first. It connects everything electrical in the car.
The headliner goes in while the roof opening is still accessible.
The dashboard enters as a complete module, pre-built on a separate line. The windshield is bonded in, positioned by a robot that adjusts for each body's exact dimensions. Seats arrive ready, upholstered, wired, and tested on their own line before they reach the car.
Piece by piece, the cabin stops being steel and starts being a car interior.
While the body is trimmed, the chassis is built separately underneath. Engine, transmission, and exhaust are joined into one powertrain assembly. Then comes the moment the body meets its chassis, called marriage. The body drops onto the chassis and is bolted together. For the first time, it sits on its own wheels. Every fluid, cable, and connector between top and bottom is linked in this station. While the body was being trimmed, the doors were built on their own line. That closing sound is not luck, it is tested against a standard. Wheels are bolted on by a robot probably, torqued in a sequence that distributes load evenly. Bumpers snap and bolt on, already carrying their lights and parking sensors. Lights in. Battery connected. Fuel added, just enough to start. For the first time, this car moves under its own power. Wheel alignment is measured and corrected by laser before the car leaves.
The engine and transmission are tested at speed, without the car moving an inch.
Braking force is measured on every wheel, coil. They all have to match. High-pressure water hits every seal from every angle, and someone inside is watching for drips.
A test drive catches what instruments cannot: noise, vibration, and how the car feels.
The last check is visual, because the first thing a buyer does is look.
Past cars are staged in the yard, waiting for their route. Car carriers load them, each vehicle strapped and chalked for the road ahead.
When the truck leaves, the factory has done everything it can.
The next person to open that door will not know what built it. They will only know how it feels. Stamped, welded, painted, wired, trimmed, married, tested, and driven off the line. That is how a car is built. What surprised you most? Tell us in the comments. Next on Process Pulse Factory, N2 Multiu, another product built with hidden precision.
Process Pulse Factory. Subscribe for the next build.